Hi there. Some of you are asking me, how do I take my Schoology notifications and put them in a different inbox or subfolder in my email so that way they're not cluttering my inbox feed, because you guys get a lot of messages through Schoology, those notifications, and they can clog things up. So it's really hard to kind of get to all of the other emails because we have so many. So this is how you do it. You're going to go to your inbox and right click and select create new subfolder. I'm going to call mine Schoology. And it takes a little while sometimes for it to appear. If you don't have a lot of patience, like me, easier way to see that pop up is I'm just going to go to my waffle and I'm going to click Outlook, and this is going to refresh my Outlook. And it appears. So now I've got this subfolder in my inbox. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select a sample email from notifications in Schoology. And I'm going to make it a rule so that all email messages from that particular email address, which is, I'm just going to use notifications at Schoology, will go into that subfolder. And you can really do this with any other emails that you get a whole lot, just to keep yourself organized. So now I'm going to right click on a particular email and I'm going to select create rule. And it's going to ask me what folder I want to put it in. And right now I'm not seeing under my inbox, I'm not seeing my little subfolder. So I'm going to select move to a different folder, and this gives me more choices. So I'm going to select inbox Schoology and click OK. And I want to run this rule now. So starting now, click that check mark, click OK. And now from here on out, any of my emails that come through under notifications at Schoology.com are going to go into that subfolder. So now I don't have to worry anymore about those emails cluttering my feed. So hopefully that helped.